I didn't think I'd need to be here telling people how to act decently, but here we are. Head trauma. Brian O'Nora gets hurt with a backswing in the third inning, leaves in the sixth. Why the delay? Because in these injuries, symptoms don't show up right away. They take time, and the protocol's not that great to begin with. It's worse for umpires because in the minor leagues, if you leave, you're not macho, culture is terrible, and sometimes the supervisors actually blame you and ding you for it, and your big league chances go down. It's a terrible culture that needs to change. And oh yeah, MLB knows about it, of course. They know about the problem. Dale Scott retired due to concussion. Tim Sheeta retired due to head and neck injuries. One foul tip away from quality of life issues? That's serious. Take it that seriously. It's dangerous. Here's the problem. For everyone who does treat it seriously, there are people like Marco Gonzales in the short term or the Pirates general manager in the long term who think we care more about job performance than health. Gonzales says, O'Nora shouldn't have been in the game. He wasn't feeling good. It's unacceptable he was there. It's terrible because O'Nora missed a pitch and then Gonzales gave up back-to-back home runs on subsequent batters. Yeah, like it's the umpire's fault you gave up back-to-back homers in a 9-2 game. But even if you're an idiot, you can't act like this. Clapping, laughing, taunting the guy who is seriously hurt, that is disgusting, gets you put on a bad reputation list, and it's a societal problem. Do better.
That's right.